In this lesson, we're going to see how to solve an absolute value inequality. Suppose we have the example, absolute value of 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 10. How would we go about solving this? As with most inequalities, the best thing to do is to first try and solve the corresponding equation. Absolute value of 2x minus 6 is equal to 10. And in order to solve this, which is simpler than solving the inequality, we have two possibilities. Either the thing inside the absolute value bars, the 2x minus 6, is actually equal to 10, because the absolute value of 10 is equal to 10, or maybe the thing inside the absolute value bars, the 2x minus 6, is equal to negative 10. That would also make that equation true because the absolute value of negative 10 is also equal to 10. So let's solve each one of these equations separately. Add 6 to both sides. 2x is equal to 16, so x is equal to 8. That's one possibility. Or add 6 to both sides over here, and we get 2x is equal to negative 4, or x is equal to negative 2. So now we have two possibilities. X is either equal to 8 or x is equal to negative 2. Let's show both of those possibilities on the number line. So here's a negative 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 8. We didn't really want to solve the equation, though. We really wanted to solve the inequality. We're looking for places where the absolute value of 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 10. So let's choose a test point. Let's choose a test point that's less than negative 2. How about negative 10? Let's choose a test point between negative 2 and 8. So 0 is always a good test point to choose. Or another test point that's bigger than 8. We'll choose positive 10. And plug each one of these test points in to the original inequality, and let's see whether it's true or false. So plugging a 10 in, I get absolute value of 20 minus 6. Is that greater than or equal to 10? Well, absolute value of 20 minus 6 is the absolute value of 14. Is that greater than or equal to 10? The answer is yes. Plugging in a negative 10, I get the absolute value of negative 20 minus 6. Is that greater than or equal to 10? That gives me the absolute value of negative 26. Is that greater than or equal to 10? And is 26 greater than or equal to 10? Again, the answer is yes. And now if I test 0, I have the absolute value of 0 minus 6. Is that greater than or equal to 10? Absolute value of negative 6 greater than or equal to 10. Is 6 greater than or equal to 10? The answer is no. So for this region between negative 2 and 8, our answer is no. We wanted everywhere on the number line where that first inequality is true. So that's everywhere from 8 and up, and everywhere from negative 2 and down. So that's how we would sketch the solution on the number line. And if we wanted to write our solution in interval notation, we could say everything from negative infinity up to and including the negative 2. So in order to indicate that we want to include the negative 2, we draw a square bracket. Union that with everything from the 8 and including the 8 all the way up to infinity.